times table is always something to reckon with, more so when it has to do with beauty. You always associate beauty queens over the years with the Times group. So I think the Diva is another feather in their cap, and I'm looking forward to it. Honestly, I've loved Zeenat Aman all my life. I think she's stunning, beautiful. I think for me she's been really a diva. Helen Auntie, Rekha ji, and I think now Madhuri. I think all these are just very stunning, all beautiful divas.
I'm just excited to be here today. I'm, one of the judges, and it's just, being, having taken part in a beauty pageant and being Miss Sri Lanka. It's nice to actually now feel what it's like to judge Miss India, and it's definitely a one-off experience for me, and it's something I think that definitely will be an amazing experience. Right now, I think I'm very lucky to be working with Salman Khan, and obviously, if there's any other great opportunities, it's just about working with, talented, actors and people in the industry as well, directors, actors, and just about doing good work. So right now, I think I'm extremely blessed to be working with Salman Khan.
I'm really looking forward to this evening. When I was asked to be a judge, I didn't, hesitate or think twice about it. I think we have very beautiful young women in our country, and who are very talented and very intelligent. And if it's a celebration of that, to say yes to an event like that.
Lots of beautiful women, obviously, but I think, like we were talking earlier, is that what we're looking for is someone who has a lot of personality as well. I know it's really hard to come through like really quickly, but sometimes you meet someone that's really beautiful, but there's no personality, and you don't find them attractive enough. And there's someone that people might perceive as being ordinary, but you meet them and they have great personality, and you find them really attractive. So I think the most important thing is obviously the personality. Well, my all-time favorite is Madhuri Dixit. I've grown up. I mean, everybody loves Madhuri Dixit. There's no why to that. She's lovely. She's gracious. She's I worked with her in Aaja Nachle.
Like I said, उनको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि वो हमारे देश को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे जब वो मिस यूनिवर्स के लिए जाएंगे, तो टेंशन ज़रूर होगी, लेकिन मैं जानती हूँ कि अगर वो अपनी काबिलियत अभी दिखा दें हम सबको, तो वो आगे के लिए उनमें एक अलग ही कॉन्फिडेंस होगी और वो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेकर आगे जाएंगी। जब